Hello students. So next topic is genetic recombination. A very simple, very easy topic. So what is genetic recombination? Genetic recombination may be defined as the exchange of genetic material between the homologous chromosome. So the segment of a DNA of a chromosome are exchanged with the other chromosome of the pair, and thus it generates a new combination of genes. So there is exchange of the genetic material, that is DNA, of one chromosome with the another chromosome, and thus it will generate a new combination. We will get a new combination, and that is called as genetic recombination. So genetic recombination is the basis of tremendous genetic diversity in sexually reproducing organism. So because of genetic recombination only, variation occurs during sexual reproduction. We have studied in our previous chapter also that only sexual reproduction will create a genetic variation. In asexual reproduction there is no genetic variation. That is why the offsprings are identical in asexual reproduction. But in case of sexual reproduction, we have seen the offsprings, they are genetically different from their parents and from each other also. And so genetic recombination, it will give rise to different combinations of the existing allelic form. Whatever alleles are there, it will give us a different combination of those existing allelic forms. Next, new combination of genes are produced after every cycle of gamete formation and fertilization that forms a new zygote. So during gamete formation we can see new combination of genes, and after fertilization also it gives rise to a new zygote that will have the genetic variations in the zygote, in the offsprings. The variations will occur. Now these variations, this recombination, these variations, it will occur in meiosis, and we have studied this in our previous topics, in our previous chapters. Mitosis, which occurs in somatic cells, and during mitosis no genetic recombination take place. It will occur in somatic cells, and it will help for growth and repair of the damaged cells. Mitosis, I am talking about mitosis, students. And in mitosis we have also studied that no genetic recombination take place. Only during meiosis, which occurs in reproductive cells, where the formation of the gametes will take place. So in meiosis we can see this genetic recombination, because meiosis, these are involved during sexual reproduction, gametes are formed. So as a result the recombination occurs in meiosis. So in meiosis the male gamete and the female gamete, they give rise to a new combination of genes, and after fertilization they produce a variety of different genotypes in the offspring. So in human beings we have a large number of genes. Okay, we have approximately 25,000 genes in our body. So we have a large number of genes, and for this large number of genes it is possible to have unlimited number of different combination for all these genes. So we can say that this genetic recombination, it will occur during meiosis, and it will give rise to a new combination. In genetic recombination, exchange of genetic material occurs between the homologous chromosome. So this is all about genetic recombination.